Here now with reaction, Chief Strategist for the Make America Great Again Coalition, Dr. Sebastian Gorka, and civil rights attorney Daryl Parks. Daryl, let's start with you. Your thoughts.
Without question, I think people are missing the message here. This has always been about racial inequality in the country and drawing attention to the racial inequalities that African Americans and people of color face every day in America. This has never been about disrespecting the flag, our anthem. We all love America. It creates wonderful opportunities for all of us to succeed. Now, the message, though, needs to be clear. The people who are crying out, the president needs to find a way to bring us together. And so I call upon the president to find ways to bring us together in this time to understand that.
Daryl, isn't he bringing us together saying, don't disrespect the flag and the anthem, and don't disrespect those that fought, bled, and died under the flag, and respect the flag, respect the anthem, respect your country, respect the military. That's what he's saying.
But, Sean, let me say this to you. But he also has to say, why are the people feeling this way? Why are they feeling that inequalities exist? What can he as the president do to address this? That's the question for the president.
Dr. Gorka?
Mr. Parks, you say you love the flag. You love this nation. Well, love the flag as well. The red of that flag, yes, the stripes in that flag, that's the same red as the blood of Americans that fought and died for this nation. And we didn't look upon them based upon their skin color. The blood of a black African American is the same color as an Asian, as a white-skinned American. The people who fought on the beaches of Normandy, who fought in Vietnam, in Korea, in Afghanistan and Iraq. It's a symbol of unity. If you can't see the flag and the anthem as symbols of unity but political tools, then perhaps you should think again about which country you're loyal to.
Well, here's the problem. I think that when people are loyal to the flag, loyal to the anthem, but people still see the injustices in the streets that still exist throughout America. So we have to address that. Yes, we're loyal to the flag. Yes, we show allegiance. But we also see what's happening in police brutalities and inequities that exist throughout the country. So those things have to be addressed and should be addressed
Daryl, you
from
were
the top
wrong on
down.
Trayvon Martin. You were wrong in what the outcome would be. You were wrong in Ferguson.
I wasn't wrong.
And a lot of people were wrong in Baltimore. Cambridge police didn't act stupidly, did they? Dr. Gorka.
When you see those caskets come home from the battlefields with dead American soldiers and Marines in them, do we think about that flag having a skin color? Do we think about that flag belonging to a political party? Is it the GOP's flag? Is it the Democrats' flag? Does it belong to the urban cities? Does it belong to the derisively called flyover states? No, none of those dead Americans are honored by the flag in partisan ways. They are honored because the flag is a symbol of our nation. It's a symbol of our unity. And if you don't want to have a unitary nation, then you don't have a nation. If you don't respect the flag, then you don't respect the lives of the people who died for that nation. It's that simple.
Sharon, if I may, without question, when we see this flag, this is also the same flag that we see young African-American boys also laying in caskets. So there's America, many of us have seen the caskets and the lives of our people who have died for no reason at all under law, under the flag.
But that's
those
what
are
he
the
just
type
said.
of questions that we have to ask.
Daryl.
Well, no, but nobody.
I just said that.
Let me say, you just said that.
I just said that. So why aren't we respecting the flag? If dead African Americans, if dead white Americans, if dead Asian, Latin American Americans are respected by that flag on the casket, why do you want to disrespect the flag?
I think you're missing the point. When the African-American boys are dying in our streets and the people who kill them are not being brought to justice, that's injustice. That's inequity that people are drawing attention to.
What did Obama do in all these deaths and shootings and record numbers? Nothing. Nothing. He didn't go to his own home city. He mentioned it like 3 times in his presidency.
But, Sean, without question, we're also waiting on President Trump to go to Chicago as well, too. That hasn't happened.
Thank you both.